Welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to connect Zapier to Google Sheets, step by step, in a clear and professional way. Step 1. Check your accounts. Make sure you have active Zapier and Google accounts. You'll need access to the Google Sheets you want to automate and full access to Zapier. Step 2. Log in to Zapier. Go to Zapier.com and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account, create one. It's free for basic automation. Step 3. Create a new Zap. Click Create Zap in the top left corner. A Zap is an automation workflow that connects two apps, in this case, Google Sheets, with another service. Step 4. Choose a trigger app. Select the app or event that will start your workflow, such as receiving an email, a new form submission, or another app. Configure the trigger according to your needs. Step 5. Connect Google Sheets as the Action app. Search for Google Sheets in the Action step and select it. Then choose the specific action you want, like Create Spreadsheet Row or Update Spreadsheet Row. Step 6. Log in and authorize Google Sheets. Zapier will prompt you to log in to your Google account and allow access to your Google Sheets. Grant the required permissions to enable data flow. Step 7. Configure the workflow and test. Select the spreadsheet and worksheet you want to use, map the fields from the Trigger app to your sheet columns, then test the Zap to ensure it works correctly. Your Zapier account is now successfully connected to Google Sheets, allowing you to automate data entry and streamline your workflows. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more productivity and automation tutorials.